Hello guys, welcome to our new channel Online Help 24. So guys, today I'm talking about 7 online jobs for college student to make money easy way. Yes guys, so too many people don't know how to earn money from online and how to do job for online. So today talk about details. Okay, so check there. First they have online jobs for college student to make money easy way. Yes, so scroll down. This one actually blog post. Okay, so they have the beginning in college sometime can be hard or imprisonment if you are suggest will earning money, so it's good. And they have they have the online jobs for college student, a great way to start your career. Okay, it's good. Many people don't know. You can, of course, you can job and you can full time to do there. You can good for your career and very good, of course. So they have the what are proper online jobs for college student. They have the step 1, the translation. Translation. If you already know to language or study to sense one, okay, this also good translation job or online tutoring. Okay, so they have the website to start. You can check this website and check out some site of the offer for type of work. They have the tutor Vista and tutor.com on Tutorzilla and to home and homework. So I check sorry, yes, so I check this website. See, so check on this website. Yes, this Grammarly website. This one yes, this one tutorial from quick. This one Grammarly website. So down I check this downwards one. Yes, this one is main work website. Homework help. Okay, upload your homework. So this is very good, and you can do this website and you can earn also. They have phone number or admin email have there. Make payment, we'll check it. So payment with PayPal. This this good. Yes, I will do payment with PayPal. This good also. They have website. I'm not working. Just check the review of the website. Wait guys, I show you everything. Just wait. So okay, let's start that uploading your the work there. When uploading your work there, you need to upload your name, email, like number, like the which and how to do, which subject you do working, their question, answer, university level, then blah 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 your procedure, and then upload it. Okay, when you check the access when you accept this, when you come to your email, you can check, and you can definitely our prices. You can check there the prices of high school $10 40 days, and college $40, university $60, like blah blah. Yeah, how to do you can earn more money from online. Yes, they have the review of, they have, you see, all 5-star reviews good. They have the successful answers my question. I got the right answer. I submit the open homework total. Wow, this is very good, really. Example. So you can earn also. You there have starting the freelancing waiting. If you have to if you love to write the, and you know the grammarly well is good, you can do also freelancing work, and also you can do also selling stuff online. You can do also work with Amazon, eBay, ECT. They have blah blah, Facebook also it sells. There are many. So this was Blockfish too. You can do the 7 with 7 way to, you can work also 7 number survey. You can work also survey. So first check, number 1 translation, number 2 online tutoring, number 3 freelancing rating, selling stuff online, number 2 blogging, number 6 propagating, number 7 survey. So this 7 way to you can earn more money from online. I hope you understand. You can how to earn money from online easy way, guys. But too many people don't know. You can come the Metro Opinion website, and you can set the click the blog post, and you can find also there have online jobs. College student make easy way. There have every job have their details. You can check every you can check every the blog post, and you can know there how to way. They have 7 steps. We choose one your best step. Which one is you can do. You can do work. Okay. This is very easy and simple way. Okay. So I hope you understand, and whenever you come my new channel, please subscribe my channel. I upload every weekly 2-3 videos from earning related, so you can check also there, and you can earn more money from online. Enjoy and happy, okay, movements. So enjoy your career, and good luck. See you on next video. Bye bye. See you. Tata. Allah Hafiz.